lesson 3 of solving a Rubik's Cube. In lesson 2, we had covered how to make a white cross, as you can see, with the matching centers. So, the lesson 3 is how to make a whole white face. So, the first step is to see a white corner with two colors on it. Okay, so let me search. Yeah, I got here one. See, red, blue, and white. So what I want to do is I will drag it here, as I want to fix it here. So, how to drag it? I'll tell you that. So what I'll just do this. I want it to go straight down, so it can come straight up to here. So, how to do that? I will follow an algorithm. The algorithm is RIDIRD. So, you need to follow that algorithm multiple times until you get the white here, red here, and blue here. So, let me do that. No? Right? So, if you can't understand this algorithm, go straight back to lesson 1 of solving a Rubik's Cube and you will see how to make this algorithm. So, I'll follow this algorithm multiple times. One more time. Yeah, see? White, red, and blue. So, we need to search for another corner with white and any two colors. So, let me search. Okay, I got here red, green, and white. So, what we need to do? Yeah, we need to drag it over here, right? So, I'll drag it around and follow that algorithm multiple times again. No, it's not right. Right? Yeah, you see? White is done, green is done, and red is done. They are matching with the center, and the red it has matched with the centers. So, let me search for another corner plate. Okay, I got here orange, blue, and white as here. So, I need to drag it over here, right? Because this is blue and this is orange, right? So, what I'll do, I'll follow that algorithm again. No? Yeah. As you can see, this corner is fixed here. White, blue, and orange. So, now last one is over here. Green, orange, and white. Yeah, here. I dragged it over here. Right, so we need to fix it over here. Follow the algorithm multiple times again. As you can see, the white face is done with all the matching corners making a T. Right? One T, one T, one T, one T, and one T. So please like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos I have done. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.